probably time for the most literal, radical game of nostalgia, even though I found this back in 2019, Need for Madness. Many of you probably know I will do the second half of this video on Need for Madness 1, and then Need for Madness 2. I won't do multiplayer free play just cause. You all know how this game works. You select your car from Formula 7, Wow Kenny Nero, may lower this a tiny bit, La Vida Crab, Nimi, Max Revenge, Lead Oxide, El King, Radical 1, Dr. Monster. As I always do, I will start with Formula 7. Just cause, oh, and by the way, Tornado Shark's the other one too. So let's do that. The introductory stage. I know how this works. Oop, okay. Sort of a wonky start there. Hang on. I may need to up this a tiny bit. See if that'll help. Bad landing, just cause I have to do so. Ah, dang it. Let's see. How do I insta replay? Had a false start there. Want to try that again?
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Sure. My golly, gee. All right. No, dude, come on. Yeah, y'all know how this game works. You have to beat other cars or waste them. Race or waste. You get flips in the air. You do stunts by pressing space while in the air and turning in the direction of things. Ripping double forward by double roll spin. You have to pass checkpoints. I bet you many of you weren't surprised. Or were surprised to see me play this. Let's see. Do not lose the race. Do not get wasted. And there's these things called fixing hoops you use to fix your car. The damage meters up top. Wait, what am I saying? You guys probably played this game before. Okay. See, one more lap to go. Okay. And you press the space. Oh god, La Vida Crab, no! Press the space. Whoa! Wow, Kenny Nero, dude. Spacebar on the ground for handbrake. Okay, there we go. Finish. Press enter. Alright. Stage 1, let's see. Stage 2, yes. Here we go. I'll use the same car. Contrary to popular belief. And that monster being right there, in case you guys don't know, his name is... Coach Insano. So let's see what we have here. We have a more complex race here. Yeah, like 12.5 minutes. I'll switch to Need for Madness 2. Yeah. So glad to be playing this. It's a really fun game. Okay. Double backflip right here. Power to the max. Oh, and you have power too, which you need for speed. I don't know why that's literally lost there, cause flippin' Wow Kenny Nero destroyed me. Let's see. I will choose. Nimi's probably not gonna do anything, but let's see. I use Formula 7 a lot just because of its speed. Alright, that was a bit rude. Oh, it's probably the most, Nimi's probably got the best performance. So I can do flips so easily. Oh, wrong way. Okay, hang on. No, I'm going back to Formula 7. Just gotta be very careful. And Formula 7 is the most fragile car, so... Okay, that was a risky front flip. Okay, why did I even do that? No! Guys will not beat me in this race. Okay, whoa. Why am I having trouble lining up my thing? Alright, that's fine. Checkpoint, man. And I've seen many Need for Madness mods that, unfortunately, I will not play. Because most of them are not available anymore. But at the same time, this game is fun. I can't... And this has been out for over a decade. This game has been out for over a decade, yet I catch it Yet I first hear about it almost a decade after it's been released. Yeah, I believe this game has been around since 2000, the late 2000s. Gonna have to look at the date because I forgot. Okay. Ugh, crash into the checkpoint post. Alright. It's my favorite stunt to do because it gives me the most power. The more stunts you do, the more power you gain. Ah, I wanted to do a little topside there. Yo. There we go. No! Tornado shark, you leave me alone. Ah! I need to repair. I need to repair now. Wow, that was close. And some of these courses, tornado shark's been wasted. Some of these courses have a ridiculous amount of laps. A ridiculous number of laps. Okay, we're on the final lap though. It's about to floop that up. Okay, ignore these little bumps. Now we go to this fixed hoop. Okay, that was a risky backflip. Okay, I wanted to do a stunt there, but I didn't want to risk it. There's a finish, and let's go. I've unlocked Max Revenge. Probably will use it in this course right here. Just do the Snakey Dance. Man, I remember this dearly. I can't sing that fast. Dang it, dang it. Can you guys leave me alone? It's always the most annoying thing where you just get tossed around by these cars. Okay, no, land it. There we go. Radical double forward with triple roll spin by 180. Okay, I'm falling behind here. I used to have trouble when trying to do this with Formula 7. But even though this car is a bit slower than Formula 7, it can tank a lot of hits, so... Okay, oh, the fixed hoop is in the middle of the stage. Okay. Why did I try to do a flip there? Running low on power. I may need to... Nope. Okay. I'm not gonna risk for a trick there because I didn't get enough air. But this right here. What the flip, dude? Come on. Right. Front flip. Straight through that checkpoint. Okay. Alright, tabletop. I'm still in third place, dude. This stage has 7 left. I should probably resort to... Yeah, I should probably resort to wasting. Let's see if I can do that. Lead oxide is the perfect car to dang it. To get the job done, but I have it locked. So I have no other choice but to race, excuse me. Okay, to avoid, like, things, because sometimes the cars will go back. I just have to do the regular. Okay. Okay, whoa! Sick flips, dude. Okay, okay. There we go. Am I in first? I'm most definitely in first. Okay, handbrake. Let's get to that checkpoint. Oh my gosh, sometimes it can be a little hard to control. What oh, I hand broke instead of... Dang it. I hand braked instead of trying to do a stunt. Leave me alone, Nemi. Oh my gosh. These cars... The farther you go, I believe, the more the cars will try to get you. So So I will do stunts here. Go through this checkpoint and enter the fixed soup. Because these guys took quite the hit for me. There we go. Where's the next checkpoint I have to go to? The arrow tells me I can toggle between things, between cars and the track by pressing the A button. Okay. Okay, nice handbrake there. Okay. Stunts. Nope. No. Oh gosh, leave me. Hi, leave me alone. Okay. Lap 5. Just gotta do. Ha! Take that. Wow, Kenny Narrow. Don't know how, but I sent him through the air. Okay, whoa, alright. You wanna fight? That's not gonna happen. Oh. Oh, sick tabletop? Oh, forward loop with flip side by 180, alright. That was actually kind of sick, even though I did not mean to do that. Oh, gosh. Dude! Oh! Nah! Dang it, man. I'm not gonna be able to get through this in time. I'm gonna have to resort to wasting. Wow Cannon Arrow's not good for that. Let's see. Max Revenge. I'm gonna have to do Wow Cannon Arrow. If I don't make it through on time, then it's time for Need for Madness 2. Ah! Hey! Stop juggling me around! Max Revenge. Yeah, that's what you get. Okay, Wow Cannon Arrow is slow, but I believe it's good, quite good at wasting. The next car. And just so you know, I did beat this one time. Even though Stage 3 took me forever. Yeah. I said I'm resorting to wasting. Why am I trying to race here? Okay, stop. Okay, toggle on cars. Alright. Get back here, all of you. Okay, Formula 7. Formula 7 is the weakest one, so I'll go for that one. Let Oxide get over here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I need momentum. Goodness, it's already been 12 and a half minutes. Okay. Okay, come on. Yeah. Where are you, Formula 7? I will waste all of you. Here's Max Revenge. Come on, guys. Don't be afraid to fight me. Okay, I think, yeah, Nemi's not coming towards me. Let Oxide, you look like you're low in health. Give me your life. It's not wasted yet. Hey! He's trying to go for the fixing hoop. I don't think so. Get over here. Hey, Max Revenge. Okay, stop. Okay. Okay, Formula 7 just pushed me. Dude, come on. How are these cars so hard to... Okay, Formula 7's somewhere behind me, I can tell. No, I missed the fixing hoop. Come on, flip on your side. Yes. Sometimes it just doesn't wanna. Okay, wasted lead oxide. Formula 7's been wasted. Let's go, I could do this. Where's Nemi? Where's Nemi? Did a flip there. Nemi? There you are. Who else is left after you? Kinda wanna find out. Oh no, you're going for the fixing up? Oh shoot. Yeah! Oh my gosh, you saw I wasted max revenge there. I'm almost dead too. I need fixing. Yes! With a double backflip. Alright, Nemi, where are you at? After this course, I'm gonna go for Need for Madness too. Oh, I do not think so. Come on. Do 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 dee, da da. Dude, where is it going? Where's that? There you go. Boom. Okay. Ah, there we go. Wasted all the. It surprisingly was not that. Okay, what am I doing? I'll see you guys in Need for Madness 2. Here is a bit different. A whole bunch of new courses. Introductory Stage. Oh, and it's remastered too. Well, before this thing got like a massive update for graphics and whatnot. I swear to God. Ah! Okay, and there's a whole bunch of new cars here too. Oh gosh, dude. Oh, I missed the fix soup. I may be in trouble here. Let's keep going forward. Alright. Ready? Oh, there's 3 laps this time around. Just almost did not pay attention. Whoa! Those moves were sick. That was a tabletop by a roll spin. That looks like more than that. Anywho, onto stage 2. This is what I'm talking about. That's why I gotta back up. Let the dream begin, I believe. This is the title of the stage. Okay. Whoa. Ah! Was that Drifter X that got me? Yeah, that's one of the new cars in NFM 2. Okay. Okay, they did not back up this time. Checkpoint. Okay. Whoa. Fix myself up right there. Awesome. Backflip. Whoa. I almost crashed into those guys. Ah! Alright. Oh, sorry. My mouse is in the middle of it all. I'm gonna move it. There we go. Let's see. Whoa. That purple car right there is Cool Cat. Ooh, nice. Off the lip roll spin. Is that how I do those? What? I stopped in midair. What happened? Okay, some of these stunts I don't even mean to do. I mean to stop in midair. Okay, that right there was pretty sick. See, this is why I like to use Formula 7 a lot. It's very fast. It's good at doing tricks. Excuse me. Many of the other cars, which I will unlock pretty soon, are strong. Ooh, went over the thing. Okay, what is that guy doing there? Alright, let's see. I unlocked Drifter X. I'm probably gonna use it in stage 3. Arrested by the Man. Here's Sword of Justice, the police car. I think I get why this... I think I remember why this car is called Drifter X. I missed the checkpoint. Oh, and there are spikes in the road now, too. Okay. Okay. 19%. Come on, I want it to the max. This will get me to it. Oh no! If you do stunts and land on your hood, the stunts will not count. Which is quite sad. Oh my gosh. The spikes kind of hurt too. Oh, this is 2 laps. Or 4 laps. Failed to do a stunt. Come on. Don't know what that rear view mirror is. I can control that on control that manually. Oh gosh, sword of justice. Oh my gosh. Lead oxide, leave me alone. Where's that fixed hoop? I need to get by it. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. I missed it. Nope, I'm dead. Ow. Oh my goodness. How am I alive? Should have stuck with Formula 7. Come on, come on, come on. Cool, alright. But there's no way I'm gonna finish the race. Let's see, where's my next checkpoint? Oh, it's over there. Okay. I lost. Sword of Justice finished first. Time to switch to Formula 7. Alright, whoa. Gonna flip it. What was that? What was that? This is why I back up on some occasions. Go, Nemi! Ugh, I'm out of here. Whoa. Okay. Nice little backflip. We out. Go, 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 go. My gosh, Sword of Justice almost got me. Sword of Justice is a really good car. Okay, wrong way. Let me do a couple stunts first. Oh my goodness. Okay, who's ahead of me right here? Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's Nemi. Probably? No, it's that one. Who is that? Okay. Oh, that's Max Revenge. Don't think so. Oh, it's right. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Max Revenge was the first car. I passed it. Nice. Okay. Whoa. We're almost at time here. Appear to be doing really good though. Nope, will not get me. Sword of Justice will not arrest me. And this course, the name of this level is literally arrested by the man. Whoa, who was that? Don't want to find out. Okay, okay. Thought I would do some stunts there. Okay, yeah. Alright. Nice, dude. Let's go on. Now, this next course, I had a ton of trouble with. 10 laps. I barely made it. I used lead oxide because it was the toughest car. I would race a whole lot with Formula 7, but... these cars would always go after me. And this stupid song will get stuck in my head. So I'm not gonna waste my time with this, everybody. That's gonna have to do it for Need for Madness. Man, it feels so good to play this again. Hope y'all enjoyed. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. That being said, thank you all so much for watching and see you in the next game. So Fear Core Thunder plays Upside Out. Enjoy the future. Hang on. Okay. Enjoy the future of gaming.